Next listen, arithmetic numbers in scientific notation. Arithmetic numbers in scientific notation are first one, if the indices in scientific notation of two numbers are the same, addition and subtraction is easily performed. The arithmetic numbers in scientific form notation anna arithmetic we know plus minus addition subtraction division and multiplication, that's going to apply here. First see that addition and subtraction, if the indices in scientific notation of two numbers are the same, for example 2.30, see that the mass of the earth is 5.97 10 to the power 24 kg and that of the moon is 0.073 into 10 to the power 24 kg. So what is their total mass? Mass of earth is given, so moon and mass of moon is given. Total mass we want to find. Here both are see that 5.97 10 to the power 4, here 0.073 10 to the power 4. Both are 10 to the power 24 24. So both are same power, powers are same. Apo now we can add. So first take that solution. So given condition, first take write it. Given what is that? Earth of mass or mass of the earth. Mass of the earth, what is that? 5.97 into 10 to the power 24 kg. And same mass of the moon, what is that given? 0.073 into 10 to the power 24 kg is given. Both are 10 to the power 24 kg. So power common, therefore total mass equal to 5.97 into 10 to the power 24 plus 0.073 into 10 to the power 24. So both are take adding. What is that? 5.97 next 0.073. Adding, here see that here 0 assume. Therefore 0 plus 3 3. Next 7 plus 7 14. Remaining 1. 1 plus 9 10. Therefore 0 put here, remaining 1. Then 1 plus 6. Sir 1 plus 5 6. 6 plus 0 6 only. Therefore 6.043. Therefore final solution. Yes. Power is 10 to the power 24, 10 to the power 24 comma, therefore directly we can add, therefore 6.043 into 10 to the power 24 kg. Therefore this is the required solution. So next question. Example 2.31, the product or quotient. First we discussed addition and subtraction. Next one, product or quotient of two of numbers in scientific notation can be easily done if we make use of the law of radicals approximately. Write the following in scientific notation. 2.31 is given. So first take that given question. So example 2.31, first subdivision. What is that given? So therefore here is given is 5 crore. Therefore 5 crores whole to the power 4. What is it they asking question? Write the following in scientific notation. அப்போ இங்க என்ன செய்யலாம்னா, first of listen, here decimal number to into scientific notation. Scientific notation நால இப்போ என்ன செய்யலாம், decimal moving towards left side. அதாவது 1 non-zero digits to its left. அதாவது 1 மட்டும் தான் non-zero இருக்கும், ரிமைனிங் எல்லாமே என்ன இருக்கும், டெசிமல்ஸில் இருக்கும். அப்போது இங்கே டெசிமல் பாயிண்ட் இங்கே இருக்கிறத இன்டெரக்ட் அண்டர்ஸ்டுட். அப்போ இங்கே டெசிமல் பாயிண்ட் இங்கே இருந்து என்ன செய்யணும், இங்கே வரைக்கும் கொண்டு வரணும். அப்போது how many decimal places moving? Count between here to here, how many decimals there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 digits are there. Therefore 5.0 into 10 to the power 7 we can write. நான் என்ன சரி 5 பாயிண்டில் நான் ஆன்சர் கொண்டு வரணும். அப்போ 5 பாயிண்ட் சம் வேல்யூ கொண்டு வரணும். அப்போ என்ன சரி இங்கே இருக்கிற டிஜிட் நான் இங்கே கொண்டு வரும்போது how many digits there in between this point to this point, total 7. அதுதான் 5.0 into 10 to the power 7 whole power 4. Next power is common for take substitute. 5.0 whole to the power 4 into 10 to the power 7 whole to the power 4. So next 5 power 4. 5 power 4 what is the value? 5 power 4 into 10 to the power 7 4s are 28. 5 power 4 means 5 multiply itself 4 times. Therefore, check it once answer. Yes, see that 5 power 4. We can write 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So 5 5s are 25. 25 into 5 125. 125 into 5 625. Therefore, 5 power 4 we can write 625 into 10 to the power 28. So next simplify further. Here 625 into 10 to the power 8. I want to write in what is that scientific notation. Scientific notation na எப்படி எழுதணும் 1 non-zero digit it's left and remaining want to write in decimal. அப்போ இங்க இருக்கிற decimal நான் இங்க என்ன செய்றேன் இங்க கொண்டு வரேன். அப்போ 625 into 10 to the power 28. How? Then here is then here there one decimal point. Here 2, here moving decimal point. How many decimal places? Here 1. Here to here 2. Therefore 6.25 into 10 to the power 2. Moving towards left side. அதாவது decimal number into scientific notation na or condition, scientific notation to decimal na or condition. Now applying here, what is that? Decimal number into scientific. So moving towards left side, power is positive. 10 power 2 into 10 to the power 28. So 6.25 into base count power we can add 10 power 2 plus 28. So therefore 6.25 into 10 to the power 30. So this is the required solution. So next listen, second subdivision 0.00000005 whole to the power 3. 7 zeros 5 whole to the power 3 is going to want to write in scientific notation. You can see that decimal point moving towards the right side because only one non-zero digits want to write. So only one non-zero digits to its left. அப்போ இங்க 5 இருக்கா அந்த 5 after என்ன வரும் decimal கொண்டு வரணும். அப்போ 5 க்கு after நான் இந்த இடத்துல decimal கொண்டு வரணும்னா then how many digits there in between? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 க்கு அடுத்து தான் இந்த இடத்துல decimal வருது. அப்போ 5.0 0 into 10 to the power. So moving towards the right side means power 8. 5.0 into 10 to the power minus 8 into 3. Now power take substitute. 5 power 3 into 10 to the power minus 8 whole power 3. So 5 cube value is the 125 into 10 to the power minus 8 3s are 24. Next see that here decimal moving towards. So 1 non-zero digits to its left. அப்போ இங்க இருக்க ஒரு digit நான் இங்க என்ன செய்றேன் left side வரும்போது இங்க எடுத்துட்டு வரேன். அப்போ 1 2 digits நான் மூவ் பண்றேன். அப்போ 1 point அதாவது இங்க இருந்து 1 இங்க இருந்து 2. therefore 1 2 digits மூவ் பண்றதால 1.25 to 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power minus 24. So next take simplify. See that 1.25 into 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power minus 24. See that 1.25 into 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power minus 24 of base common power we can add. Therefore 10 to the power 2 minus 24. So 1.25 into 10 to the power 2 minus 24 we get a minus 22. So this is a required solution. Next third subdivision. See that what's that given third subdivision? Third subdivision 3 lakh whole to the cube into 2000 power 4. So this is given question. I want to write in scientific notation. So first up take it. Let's see that 3 lakh write in a decimal form. So want to write only one non-zero digits to its left. Up how many decimals moving? See that here 0 there, here decimals there. How many decimals moving towards left side? 1 2 3 4 5 decimals. Therefore 3.0 into 10 to the power 5 we can write. So 10 to the power 5 whole cube into here see that 1 2 3 decimals. Therefore 2.0 into 10 to the power 3 whole to the power 4. See that. Next we can write power take substitute 3 power 3 into 10 to the power 5 whole cube into 2 power 4 into 10 to the power 3 whole power 4. So 3 cube we get a 27 into 10 to the power 5 3s are 15 into 2 power 4 we get 16. So 16 into 10 to the power 3 fours are 12. Now take multiply 27 into 16 into 10 to the power 15 into 10 to the power 12. 27 into 16 take multiply. So take multiply 27 into 16. See that. So 6 sevens are 42. Therefore put 2 remaining 4. 6 twos are 12. 12 plus 4 16. Next 1 into 7 7. 1 into 2 2 27. Therefore here 2. 6 plus 7 13. Remaining 1. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 2 4. Therefore we can write 27 to 16. 432 into 10 to the power. Yes, see that base common power we can add. Therefore 15 plus 12. So next one here 432. This also write in a scientific notation. Therefore decimal moving towards left side. So only one non-zero digit towards left. Then here two decimals moving 1 2 decimals up 4.32 into 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power 15 plus 17 we get 27. Next see that 4.32 into 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power 27 base count power we can add. Therefore 4.32 into 10 to the power 2 plus 27 we get 4.32 into 10 to the power 29. Therefore this is the required solution. Next see that fourth subdivision. What is that given fourth subdivision? So you see that given fourth subdivision 40 lakhs. So 40 lakhs whole cube divided by 0.00002 whole to the power 4. So this is given question. Now take right solution. Well, first this take right in for 40 lakh, take right in scientific notation. Here see the decimals here, the here to decimal moving towards up to this point. How many decimal places? 1 2 3 4 5 6 digits there. Therefore 4.0 into 10 to the power 6 whole to the power 3 divided by, next here see that digits here there. Then want to write so only one non-zero digits to its left up. Then decimal moving towards the right side up to here 2 point there. Therefore how many digits? 1 2 3 4 5 digits there. Therefore 2.0 into 10 to the power minus 5 whole to the power 4. Next see that power take substitute 4 cube into 10 to the power 6 whole cube divided by 2 power 4 into 10 to the power minus 5 whole power 4. Next 4 cube value we get. What is that? 64 into 10 to the power 6 3s are, what is that? 18 into divided by 2 power 4. 2 power 4 we get a 16 into 10 to the power minus 5 into 4. 5 4s are 20 minus 20. Next to see that here they are dividing. Therefore 64 into 10 to the power 18 divided by 16 into 10 to the power minus 20. So now 64 by 16. Now cancel 1 times of 16. So 3 times of 16 is the 64. So 1 times of 16 here 4 times of 16, not a 3 times of. So 1 times of 16, 4 times of 16 is the 64. Therefore 4 into, here see that 10 to the power 18 here divided by 10 to the power minus 20. Minus 20 take it numerator. Minus 20 numerator going. Power is changed. Power is changed then positive into 10 to the power 20. Now 4 into 10 to the power base common power we can add 18 plus 20. So 4 into 10 to the power 18 plus 20 we get a 38. So 4 into 10 to the power 38. Therefore this we can write 4.0 into 10 to the power 38 because only one non-zero digit should left. In want to write in scientific notation. That's why I am writing 4.0 into 10 to the power 38.